Hello children, please open to page number 40. The name of the chapter is sobriquets. The name of the chapter is sobriquets. Do you know what do you mean by sobriquets? So it's given over here also. Some countries and cities have special names or phrases that describe the character of someone or something. These small phrases or the special names that are given, these are termed as sobriquets. The pronunciation is sobriquets. Okay, so please take a pencil in your hand. So we will be reading the sobriquet given, and we have to guess the name accordingly, which place or which city or which town, which country it is speaking about. Okay, the list is given over here. Come on to the first one. The first one is saying gift of the Nile. This is a very famous phrase. The gift of the Nile is actually hinting, or it depicts, the country name is Egypt. So select from the list, it is Egypt. Why does it say gift of the Nile? Because the Nile river, it's a huge river, and the gifts that it gives to the country Egypt is that it gives annual slow flooding which happens in the Nile river. It helps in transportation, harvesting, fishing, etc. There are many things which helps the country to survive. So it is a very much boon, or a rather a gift of the Nile. So that is the reason it says the gift of the Nile, that is Egypt. Come on to the second one. See, it's written the land of the rainbow. Yes, the land of the rainbow. Yes, the land of the rainbow is again termed as, it's a multicultural diversity. That is the reason there are different type of cultures which are present in this country. That is the reason it is called as the land of the rainbow. Which place it is, do you all know? It is the name of the place is Hawaii. See, it's written in the first city, it is given Hawaii. Please select this one, put a tick mark and write in neat handwriting Hawaii. Right, come on to the third one. Third one is the land of white elephants. It is the land of white elephants. It is termed as a very royal symbol. It is a symbol of royal power. The white elephants are considered to be a very spiritual and a very royal symbol. That is the reason it is known as the land of white elephants, which are very much present in this place. And which place it is, do you all know? It is Thailand. Select from this list Thailand. Please write over here Thailand in neat handwriting, and in pencil please write Thailand. Come on to the fourth one, the land of the thunderbolt. The land of the thunderbolt, do you all know what do we mean by thunderbolt? Because in this place there were violent and large thunderstorms that whipped out the valley, and this valley is the Bhutan. This Bhutan was whipped out because of extreme large violent thunderstorms. That is the reason the name of this place came to be the land of the thunderbolt. The land of the thunderbolt is Bhutan. Select from the list, see the spelling and write over here Bhutan. Come on to the fifth one, the land of thousand lakes. Why does it call the land of thousand lakes? Because there are innumerable lakes in this place, and the name of this place is Finland. Finland has innumerable lakes, so that is the reason the name has come, the land of thousand lakes. Come on, select this one Finland, put a tick mark over here and write in pencil Finland. Come on to the sixth one, the sugar bowl of the world. The sugar bowl of the world. What do we mean by this, the sugar bowl of the world? Sugar bowl of the world is why it's called Cuba. And why is it called so? Because it traces its roots in the production of sugar under the Spanish rule. Under the Spanish rule, it makes the maximum amount of sugar in this place. That is the reason it is called sugar bowl of the world, and that place is Cuba. See the list, this is the list, put a tick mark and write over here Cuba. Come on to the seventh one. This is a very famous phrase. You all must have heard about this. The city of joy. Which is the city of joy? Our place, that is Kolkata. Kolkata is treated as the city of joy. Why? Because it is said that in Kolkata people know how to enjoy and celebrate festivals like Durga Puja, Christmas or the New Year Eve. We all know how to enjoy, and that is the reason the phrase is given, the city of joy. Which place it is? It is Kolkata. Please select from the list, write the correct spelling and write over here Kolkata. Come on to the eighth one, the land of cakes. So the land of cakes is termed to Scotland. Scotland is said to be the land of cakes. Why? Because oatmeal cakes was the reason behind which the land of cakes was named. Oatmeal cakes was the first cake that happened that was created in this place, and it was very famous. It tasted very nice. That is the reason this is known as the land of cakes. The place is Scotland. See this one. Please tick mark over here and write Scotland. Come on to the ninth one. Ninth one is Emerald Isle. What do we know by Emerald Isle? Emerald Isle is nothing but it is an island actually, and the name of this place is Ireland. So Emerald Isle is an excellent fishing and a wealth of marine life, which is a very much important place, and the income source in this place, and the place name is Ireland. Please write correct spelling. Choose from the list Ireland and write over here Ireland. Come on to the 10th one, the city of 7 hills. So this is again the name of the place is Rome. So it is based on 7 hills. It marks the ancient boundaries of the city. That means the ancient boundaries of this place is made by the 7 hills. That is the reason the name has come as city of 7 hills, which is the boundary of this city, and the name is Rome. Please select from the list Rome and write over here Rome. Please write in neat handwriting. I know you all have done very good work in the last all the GK class videos which I have sent. Please study hard, read this all these. If you have any problem, come up to me and read all the phrases. At least small questions like matching or fill in the blanks will be coming from this chapter. Please read, know the phrase and know the name of the place that is associated with it. So what is the meaning of sobriquet, everything you need to read a bit, and the next assignment which I'll be giving is on this chapter. Okay children, okay, bye for today.